Hey everybody, my name is Jeff Jones. I'm from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why there will never be an Amazon Firestick killer device. All right, we're back. We're going to go right into this video. So if this is your first time on one of our platforms and you've seen this video, give us a thumbs up. If you could do me a favor, just give us a thumbs up on whatever platform it is. It will help the algorithm, especially on YouTube. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why there will never be an Amazon Firestick killing device. We have heard so many times people saying, this is the Amazon Firestick, or this is the Amazon Firestick. Heck, I've done it. But after I've done a little bit of research, let's get into my 5 reasons why no one will ever, never top the Amazon Firestick, because currently it is the #1 Android TV streaming device is the Amazon Firestick. So I'm going to go to reason number 1. And that reason is, I'll let you know in a moment. I went into the Zeus TV browser. I'm going to go to a website called Variety.com, and you're going to see some really startling stuff. So let's look at reason number 1 once I go here, and this opens up. Reason number 1, the money doesn't lie. Oh, hang on. Let me get this. Hang on. Let me get this out of here. All right. The money doesn't lie. In other words, let's read this. Amazon Fire TV devices sales top $200 million. $200 million. $200 million? That is a lot of money. And on top of that, that's a lot of people. 200 million people owned this device last year. It says right here, the company said sales of Fire TV streaming devices, Fire Sticks, and smart TVs surpassed 200 million units to date. Each unit went to a person or persons. So that's reason number 1. The money doesn't lie. I don't know any other streaming box company that has sold $200 million or 200 million units in 12 months. So Amazon knows that they're #1. They're going to continue to be #1. So let me say this right now. I bow to the king. I'm sorry, Amazon. I didn't know you were that guy or that dude. 200 million units, that's the #1 reason. They understand their target market and they never go above it because there are more people coming into streaming than us who've been here a while. So that 200 million is only going one way, and that's up. Let's look at the rest of the options. Well, the rest of Okay, let's look at the reason number 2, because there's only going to be 5 of them. Reason number 2, why the Amazon Fire Stick is the #1 streaming device and can't be toppled or beat is affordability. An Amazon Fire Stick is between, I believe, $35 and $55, maybe a little bit more. Now, it might change because of the currency rates in every country, but if they're selling 200 units, they're getting it done. So they made it very affordable, which makes the new user or new streamer, this is a great device for the new streamer. It's not my favorite one, but this one can't lie. I mean, it stands out all by itself because so many people have these devices. So reason number 2 is affordability. If it's affordable, people are going to buy it. If it's too expensive, no one's going to buy it. Let's look. Reason number 3 of why Amazon will never be beat, especially the Fire Stick, no one has a Fire Stick killer, is ease of use. Man, I don't know how many YouTube videos I've seen from some great creators. You got Lee TV, you got Tech Doc UK, you got Superdell, you got Tanya, you got Troy Point. I mean, you have all these great people. I think it's Dr. Squid I'm sorry if I messed up your name. But I apologize. The point I'm making is they have hundreds and hundreds of thousands, UGT, thousands and thousands of subscribers because they talk about the ease of use of a Fire Stick. To prove it, go ahead and look for a search and type in easy to use Fire Stick directions. There'll be hundreds and hundreds of videos to show you how easy it is to use, and it continues to make it the #1 option. And there'll never be anyone that can beat the Amazon Fire Stick. Let's look at reason number 4, real easy, hands-free streaming or voice recognition. On some Fire Sticks, I'm told that Alexa comes into play, so it integrates with the Amazon ecosystem already. Now, because there are more seniors or seasoned people coming into streaming, having hands-free or voice remote, oh my God, to open up every app that's on the Fire Stick is a win-win. So they know it's not only going to have to be affordable or easy to use and yada, yada, yada. Man, most people hate typing or looking, but if you can use your voice, that makes it so much easier to use, and it's not hard to follow directions on how to do that. So the voice remote access to Alexa, Prime Video, and everything that's on a Fire Stick, making it a hands-free experience, is one of the best things out there for reason number 4. Let's finalize reason number 5, and let's end with reason number 5, portability. What that means is you're on the road, you take your Fire Stick, you get to a hotel, you plug it in, boom, you're watching TV. Hey, I'm a truck driver, I'm on the road, I have a router in my truck. Sweet. You plug that thing in to your TV, boom, you're watching TV. You now can take your entertainment with you where you go. If it's not on your phone or on a tablet, it's in the stick. And because it's so small, it sits behind major TVs. And it makes it very adaptable to even TVs that are a little bit older. So the compatibility comes into play. But portability is number 5. When you can take it with you and it becomes easy to use just by adding internet, that's a win-win. Now, I'm going to close out this video. Those are the 5 reasons that I had. There are 12 options on this list. I just chose the top 5 that bear witness with me. I'll put the list in the description, but I'd like to know what you think about that. Is there right now a device, a manufacturer that can really say that they are the Amazon Fire Stick killer? If you know better than I know, or if you think you know, hey, put that in the comments in the video, because I'm just going to end on this. The money doesn't lie. 200 million units last year in 12 months. Ooh-wee. There is not an Amazon Fire Stick killer. We need to stop saying that. There isn't one, because they're showing that numbers don't lie, and those numbers continue to be sky high. Hey, my name is Jeff. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.